We have this very interesting geometry question with us today. In this question, we need to find angle CAB, the measure of angle CAB. That means this angle we need to find out. We are given with the BH. BH is height of triangle ABC from side AC. Okay, from side AC, BH is the height. If BH is the height, that means the angle will be 90 degree. Yes, height is nothing but altitude, and height is always perpendicular, that is 90 degree. Okay, let me just write it properly. 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, and what do we need to do? We need to find angle CAB. So we will start with this right triangle. In this right triangle, if you look carefully, the sum of this angle and 90 degree will give us this angle. Okay, why? The sum of interior opposite angles in a triangle give us the exterior angle. The sum of interior opposite angles in a triangle give us the exterior angle. Okay, so using this rule, we can write alpha plus 90 gives us 4 alpha. That means 3 alpha will turn out to be 90 degree, which will give us alpha as 30 degree. But this is not a final answer. We need to find angle CAB. Angle CAB is nothing but alpha plus alpha. Yes, this whole angle. That means angle CAB will turn out to be 30 plus 30, which will give us our final answer as 60 degree. This will be our final answer. 60 degree angle CAB.